Synology, we provide storage for, say, home users, small business, but now we're moving into the enterprise segment by providing our new NVMe active storage solution, the PAS 7700 series. Yes. So essentially, it's a high performance and low latency primary storage solution that can achieve up to 2 million IOPS and also 30 gig sequential throughput. And it's powered by its own operating system called PAM, so it's different from the DSM that people might be aware of. It's built solely for enterprise primary storage, and it can cater to mission critical environment, say requirements for M&E post-production, healthcare, banking, and also manufacturing industry. Yes. And the first flagship model that we'll be launching is this one. So it's the higher capacity, and then we'll also have a mid-range active hybrid flash storage PS 3600. Coming next would be the GridStation. It's a scaled-out file and object storage solution, which is very highly scalable for enterprise long-term storage solution. And these are the existing models, but just to go through, that's the all-flash solution that we currently have. So actually this one, the PS 7700, it will be 3 times faster than the previous FS 6400. Yes. All right. I also want to highlight the DVA 7400. It will be the rack mount AI-powered surveillance solution. So previously we only have the tower model for AI-powered surveillance, but we'll be launching the rack mount model soon, so it supports enterprise needs. Yes. So I'll just also quickly walk through the feature highlight of the PA series. So it's meant to be high performance, high reliability, and also security and efficiency. Yeah. So enterprises, they not only rely on Synology storage solution, but also data backup. Earlier this year, we launched our new data protection appliance dedicated for enterprise backup. What is different from the original Nest offerings is that it's got built-in immutability and also air gap solutions to meet a higher requirement for data security, especially for enterprises. And coming next would be productivity. Not a lot of people know that Synology also do productivity solution. So it's basically a on-premise Google and Microsoft 365. What's good about the on-premise solution is that you can actually own your data without having to transfer all the data to the cloud. And the licensing is also more transparent comparing to public cloud, who can always change the price plan, and then the cost for a business can go up just in one night. Next year we're going to be launching it's not on here, but it's going to be the video conferencing software. Yes, Ita is currently unavailable, but she can do a more in-depth demonstration later. And to the surveillance. So a lot of people actually use Synology as storage for surveillance, but we also have our own VMS on top of the storage. So they can actually just have the NAS and then install the surveillance station application in the package center, and it can serve as a VMS. Say if you have any cameras, it's integrated with 8600 cameras in the market. But apart from that, I think in 2023 we launched our own cameras, the BC500 and TC500. The Wi-Fi camera was also available just this week, and coming next would be the Zoom Bullet it can do license plate recognition on the camera. And yes, so this one over here. And then the FC600 6 megapixel fisheye dome for people counting solution. So apart from the DVA solution that can do AI analytics on the server, what we are trying to do is also to bring the AI onto the camera. So what it's doing now is actually doing the license plate recognition. So if they don't have any, say, capacity for an AI server, then they can just purchase the AI camera to do all the analytics on the camera.
Straight out of this camera.
Yes. And another new thing for our surveillance offering is the cloud surveillance. So C2 surveillance, it's going to be integrated into our cameras. So say if you have the BC500 and TC500 already, you can just switch the mode and then record this onto the cloud and monitor without having to own a NAS. And comparing to all the other cloud surveillance solution on the market right now, the pricing is not out yet, but it's meant to be more transparent and also more cost effective. And it's so easy to use that it can actually be put up in 5 or 10 minutes. So in order to streamline the deployment and also the management for all the component in a surveillance setup, we are soon to launch our own PoE switch. And what it's different from other switch on the market is that it's got built-in software over here. So say security personnel or admins that can track whether any link, any internet port is not working, or if the internet consumption is going to be full, so they can act on any of the trouble really quickly. Yes. So earlier this week we have the BeeStation Plus launched. It's this one over here. It's got higher capacity compared to the older version, the BeeStation. It's got 8 terabyte built-in, and then the software is the same. It's got B files and B photos, which is meant for home users or someone that is not looking to set up a NAS themselves. It's very easy to set up, easy to boot up, and it can protect your files and photos in just 10 minutes.